learning package, imagination, and Diane exercise. Close your eyes. Relax. Imagine you are in a peaceful garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and birds chirping. You feel a cool breeze on your face. Now, take a deep breath and absorb the calmness. You are about to explore new knowledge today. Word of the day, meticulous. Best for understanding, paying great attention to detail. Example, she was meticulous in organizing her study notes. Kitchen tips. Add a pinch of salt while boiling milk to prevent it from spilling. Store green chilies in an airtight container with tissue paper to keep them fresh longer. Health tips. Drink warm water in the morning to boost digestion. Do 5 minutes of stretching daily to improve flexibility. Gardening tips. Use banana peels as natural fertilizers for plants. Water plants early in the morning to reduce evaporation. Book of the day. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy. What's inside? The book explains how our subconscious mind influences our actions and decisions, what we learn, how to train our mind for success, the impact of positive thinking. K-drama of the day. Start Up. What's Inside? A motivating story about young entrepreneurs chasing their dreams in the business world. Travel place of the day. Coorg, Karnataka. History. Known as the Scotland of India, Coorg is famous for its coffee plantations and misty landscapes. What to try? Coffee tasting, trekking, and visiting Abbey Falls. Challenge of the day. If you love art, create a drawing of a peaceful village with a river flowing through it. Let your imagination flow. Knowledge is a treasure that grows when shared. If today's learning inspired you, subscribe for more. Your support means the world.